Hi guys, today we are learning about the 6th unit in your 11th grade textbook. It's about biological processes in human body. There are different biological processes take place in the human body. Each system will be discussed by us in each and every video in our channel. And right now we are talking about the process of food digestion. If we gonna explain about the digestion, this is the explanation. The process by which the complex organic compounds are converted into simple organic compounds to be absorbed in human body. That is the definition for process of food digestion. As there, we could take human digestive system in different organs in our body. First, if we take a look about the foodballers, the food we eat from our mouth, we call the mouth as buccal cavity. Then the salivary glands create saliva. Then the food contains starch. The food contains starch. Then the starch is converted into maltose. The starch is converted amylase. Amylase enzyme. Starch is converted into maltose by using the amylase enzyme in the buccal cavity. The digestion is started in the buccal cavity. So then the food bolus moves through this part, and this is called the epiglottis. The organ which is come out is known as the epiglottis. It helps to close the respiratory tract. This is the respiratory tract. It helps to close the respiratory tract when the food bolus comes. So it avoids the food bolus to enter the respiratory tract. Then the food goes through esophagus. The way of moving of food through esophagus is known as the peristaltic movement. The way of food moves through the esophagus is known as the peristaltic movement. Therefore, food enters the stomach. Then it goes to small intestine and then large intestine. By the way, it goes out through the rectum and anus. We have just now discussed about the digestion in buccal cavity. The main thing to memorize in this part is this: starch is converted into maltose by amylase enzyme. Then let's move on to the next topic here. That is the digestion in stomach. Now, before the food comes to the stomach, it goes through the esophagus, and this is the function of epiglottis. This is the epiglottis, and when the food bolus comes through the mouth, it flows as in this figure. Therefore, the food will not enter to the respiratory tract. Then the food is moves through the esophagus. The movement of food bolus in the esophagus is known as the peristaltic movement. Here we could see when the food moves through the esophagus. The esophagus puts the pressure through the esophagus to move the food bolus downwards to the stomach. That kind of movements are known as peristaltic movement. Then it digests in the stomach. After digesting the stomach, when the food bolus comes to the stomach, the gastric juice secretes hydrogen chloride, dilute hydrogen chloride acid. The hydrogen chloride acid activates two kinds of enzymes. They are known as pepsin and renin. Here we could see in after the stomach. In the stomach there are pepsin and renin. Pepsin makes the protein in the food to polypeptide, and renin makes the milk into coagulation of milk. Therefore, the digested product will move to the small intestine. Then the digestion in small intestine. Small intestine is about 7 meters in length, and it has the pancreatic juice. The secretions in the pancreas and small intestine were given in this table. Pancreas, when protein is come, it converted into polypeptide by using trypsin. When starch comes, it converted to maltose from amylase enzyme as it is in buccal cavity. Then the lipid is converted into fatty acids and glycerols by lipase enzyme. And in small intestine, we talk about maltose is converted into glucose by using maltase. Sucrose is converted into glucose and fructose by using sucrase. Lactose is converted into glucose and galactose by using lactase. Polypeptide is converted into amino acids by peptidase. And this is the structure of inside of the small intestine. In there, these are blood capillaries, and the yellow ones are known as lactea. This is the epithelium, and the lactea. This small intestine is highly vascularized. Vascularized means they are covered with blood capillaries. The process of large intestine is when the food is moved to the large intestine by after digested in the small intestine. They absorb. They have many undigested cellulose and water. A small blind-ended structure starts with the end of caecum. It is known as appendix. The disease called appendix is present in here. Then after, and in the large intestine, the process is absorption of water from matter received from ileum. Absorb water. That is the function of large intestine. There are some diseases occurs in the large intestine. One is gastric, and the other one is constipation. And there are many more like typhoid, diarrhea. There are some diseases occurs in the digestive system. Therefore, we have come to the end of the digestive system. Then we will be able to come with another lesson of process of respiration in the second video of biological processes in our body in my channel. So please subscribe. Please subscribe if you are happy with our videos. Thank you.